This is a 2-element vacuum oil filtration machine designed for processing high-flow oil systems. It integrates degassing, dehydration, and precision filtration, acting like a powerful oil dialysis machine. It provides rapid and thorough regeneration treatment for contaminated oil, ensuring the safe and stable operation of critical equipment. This equipment utilizes three-dimensional flash vaporization technology, combined with a high-efficiency vacuum system, effectively removing free water and dissolved water from the oil. It features built-in multi-stage precision filtration, effectively removing impurities, metal debris from the oil. The treatment level can reach NOS 6 or higher. It uses a PLC automatic control cabinet with automatic constant temperature and automatic hydraulic control functions. It is easy to operate and convenient to run, equipped with multiple safety protections: overload, overpressure, cooling box, automatic shutdown, etc. It ensures the equipment can operate continuously for extended periods. The vacuum dehydration oil filtration machine is used for hydraulic oil, lubricating oil, transformer oil, insulating oil, etc. Industries using this vacuum dehydration oil filtration machine include power, chemical manufacturing, and marine industries for oil purification. Our service philosophy is to provide customers with the best solutions. This 200 liters machine will surely be a great help to our customers in oil purification.